Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z7405XX. 15,000 miles in this Malibu, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mosaic black metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side, allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. That is, of course, where the backup camera displays. You can even load additional apps. Heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box. Side, overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7405XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.